Students, so this is the given data for the first question. The height of a cylindrical tank is equals to 1.4 meters and the radius of its base is equals to 56 meters. For your understanding purpose, I am going to draw the figure. This is a right circular cylinder. Okay, what is the height of the cylinder, Nana? The height of the cylinder is given 1.4 meters. Okay, and the radius of its base, radius is equals to 56 centimeter. You try to observe here, height given in meters and radius given in centimeters. You try to convert the meters into centimeters, or your wish, convert the centimeters into meters. What I am doing here, we know 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is equals to what, Nana? 1 meter. Now I am writing here 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. So if you want to convert centimeters into meters, then we can write 1 by 100 meters. Now see here, radius is equals to, that is 56 by 100 meter. 56 by 100 meter, because of, otherwise you can write like this, that is 56 into centimeter ante, that is 1 by 100 meter. Now radius is equals to 56 into 1, 56 by 100 meter, that is 0.56 meters. Now we know the height of the cylindrical tank is 1.4 meters and its base radius is 0.56 meters. Now how much metal sheet is required? Means we are going to use the formula is total surface area of a cylinder. The required formula is what, Nana? Total surface area, simply TSA, of a cylinder is equals to what, Nana, that one? 2 pi r of h plus r square units. Now 2 into pi means we know the value of pi is what, 22 by 7 or 3.14 into r means what is the radius, Nana? Radius is actually 56 centimeters. I converted into meters, means that is 0.56 meters. Okay, of h. What is the height, Nana? That is 1.4 meters plus radius means again 0.56. ఇక్కడ మనకి యూనిట్స్ వచ్చేసి మీటర్స్లో ఉన్నది, దట్స్ వై స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ రాసాం. Now 1.4 plus 0.56, you try to add it, Nana. 1.4 0.56, so I am taking here 0. Now these are the like decimals. 0 plus 6 6, 4 plus 5 9, 1 plus 0 1, that is what, na? 1.96. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.56 of 1.4 plus 0.56 is equals to, that is 1.96 square meters. Now what I am doing, I am going to cancel it with 7. 7 toti 0.56 ni cancel chedam. So simply for your understanding purpose, 0.56 means that is what, simply 56 by 100. 56 by 100. So we can write 56 by 100 divided by 7. ఈ 7 తోటి 0.56 ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తుంది. చూడండి ఏమొస్తుందో. Then we can write 56 by 100 into 7, 1 by 7 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 56 by 100 into 1 by 7. ఇక్కడ 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56 అంటే 8 into 1 8, 100 into 1 100. So 8 by 100 అంటే that is 0.08 because of in the numerator place one number is there, but here denominator how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. సో అప్పుడు మనం 2 నెంబర్స్కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పాయింట్ పెట్టేసేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 1 నెంబర్ ఉంది 8 రాశాను, సో 0 పెట్టేసి పాయింట్ పెట్టేసి, సో దట్ ఈస్ 0.08. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నో నీడ్ ఫర్ యూ, బట్ యూ టేక్ లైక్ దిస్ 7 1s are 7, 7 0.08 are 0.56. Okay na? Now 2 into 22 means what na? 2 into 22, that is 44 into 0.08 of 1.96 square meters. Okay, so here given express in square meters. మన ఆన్సర్ని కూడా స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్లోనే ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయమన్నాడు. యూ ట్రై టు మల్టిప్లై 44 into 0.08, ఇలా బ్రాకెట్ అంటే హాఫ్ అంటే ఇంటూ, ఓకే 0.08 into 1.96. ఈ మూడింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది? పాసిబుల్. Okay students, so like this what I am doing, what I did here, 44 into 0.08 into 44 means we are getting 3.52. Okay, so I am writing in the place of 44 into 0.08 3.52. Again you multiply with 1.96.
ఆంజనా
చేయలేదా?
బాగా చేయమనరా, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి.
Okay students, so 3.52 into 1.96 means we are getting that is 6.8992. So the total surface area of the cylinder into the given measurements, that is 6.8992 square meters. Second question, the given data is the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is equals to 308 cubic centimeter, and its height is equals to 8 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. So you try to draw the cylinder. We know volume and volume means what na? We discussed already. The space occupied by a solid object is called its volume. Yes. The height of the cylinder is given 8 centimeter. Okay. Now see, we know volume of a cylinder is equals to, that is pi r square h cubic units. Okay, pi r square h cubic units. By problem volume of a cylinder means formula is pi r square h, but in given 308 cubic centimeter. Yes, so what I am doing here, pi r square h is equals to 308. Pi r square h is equals to what? 308. So ikkada pi ante 22/7 into r square. We don't know the value of r, so that's why that is r square into h. What is the given height nana? That is 8 centimeter is equals to 308. Okay, now what I am doing here, 22/7 into r square into 8 is equals to 308. So you multiply these two, 8 into 22, 22 into 8. 8 into 22 means 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. That is 176 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7 into 8 means what, Nana? That is 176 by 7 into r square is equals to 308. Now what I am doing, transposing 176 by 7 to RHS side. R square is equals to 308 by, ikkada into quantity anedi transpose aithe it becomes division quantity. So that is 176 by 7. Now we can write R square is equals to 308 into 176 by 7, its reciprocal is 7 by 176. So is there any cancellation? Cancellation possible avutunda? Yes. Here 2 digits 76, here 2 digits 08. So by using 4 table, if any number is divisible by 4, its unit place and tens place digit should be divisible by 4. Ikkada 76 anedi 4 table lo vastundi, 08 also 4 table lo vastundi. Then the two numbers are exactly divisible by 4. See, 4 4s are 16. Again here 1 is there, beside number is 6. Again 4 4s are 16. Here also 4 7s are 28. 30 లో 28 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 2 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 8 అంటే మళ్ళీ 28. Okay, again 4 7s are 28 అంటే 4 77s are 308, 4 44s are 176. I am using 7 table. This time I am using 7 table కంటే 11 table యూజ్ అవుతుంది మనకి. 11 table లో 11 4s are 44, 11 7s are 77, 11 7s are 77, 11 4s are 44. So ikkada 7 into 7. So that is what, Nana? Ikkada 7 into 7 ante that is 7 square. 7 into 7, r square is equals to 7 into 7 ante that is 49 by 4. So we know 49 and 4, these two numbers are the perfect square numbers, because of 49 means that is 7 square, 4 means that is 2 square. So that's why r square is equals to, I am writing 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, now ikkada powers equal unnai manaki, power is 2, power is 2. So then bases also equal means r is equals to 7 by 2. r cancel చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? 2 1s are 2, 3.5s are. So r is equals to 3.5. The radius r is equals to what, Nana? 3.5. or you take your wish, r is equals to 7 by 2 also. So now by using this data you should find CSA or lateral surface area, LSA. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is equals to, that is 2 pi RH square units. Okay na students, lateral surface area anna curved surface area anna okate. 2 into pi means that is 22 by 7 into r. The value of r is 3.5 or 7 by 2. Your wish, మీరు ఎలా అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. I am taking 7 by 2 into h. h means the value is 8. Simply 7 1s are 7 1s are. Cancellation completed. Yes. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 2 into 22, 2 into 22 into 4. 2 into 22 means what, Nana? That is 44 into 4. So 4 into 4 that is 16. 4 into 4 16 plus 1 17. అంటే మనకు వచ్చేసి lateral surface area LSA of a cylinder is equals to 176 square centimeters వస్తుంది. Okay na students? So this is the lateral surface area of a cylinder with the given measurements. Now same problem. Now I am going to find the total surface area. Total surface area of a cylinder formula what na? Total surface area of a cylinder is equals to, that is 2 pi r of h plus r square units. Now 2 into pi means that is 22 by 7 into r means that is 7 by 2. 7 by r value is 7 by 2 of h plus r means what na? H is 8, r means that is 7 by 2, or I am taking that is 3.5 hours. Square meters and units square centimeters. 7 ones are 7 ones are cancel, 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. So that is 22 of ikkada 1 తీసుకుంటున్నా. By doing cross multiplication, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 7s are 7 by 1 2s are 2 square centimeters. Now 22 into 16 plus 7 ante that is 23. 16 plus 7 means what na? That is 23 by 2. Okay. Now see, 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 11s are అంటే మనకి 11 into TSA total surface area, that is 11 into 23 square meters. So 11 into 23 అంటే 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, that is 253 square centimeters. So this is the required total surface area of a cylinder. Okay na students?
17.32 కట్ చేయనా